Going to see the goats now. Here they are, as you can see. 2 days in a row there were babies. They don't have names yet. Well, I had to deliver one of them. But here are the goats. That is either Remington or Winchester. Probably Winchester. That one is Clementine. This one is my favorite, Poe. That one is Remington's, that's Remington. That's Winchester's brother. We're about to see the baby in a few minutes. And here he is right now. The babies are right next to each other, as you can see. This is the one Laura had to deliver, the black one. And that one is the mother way back there. And there's another baby. How adorable! And behind me is Poe again. And there's the rest of the goats. Look how cute they are! There's the baby! Oh, there's the baby again! It got out! Let's go follow it. Let's go follow the new baby. Ooh, let's feed the goats. They love leaves. It's a favorite. Whoa. Ugh. These leaves are stubborn. Woo. In the butt. Ugh. Okay, I got it. Okay. Almost got it. Got it. They love to be fed leaves. Here, Poe. Here, guys. Here, you guys. They love leaves. That's their favorite. It's their ultimate favorites. One of their ultimate favorites. And there's those two fighting. They love leaves. As you can see. Aren't they so cute? There's the baby crying. Oh, poor thing. That one is, I think that one is, I know that one's Mason. That one's Mason, the one that's eating the leaves. Mason loves leaves. Here you go, Clementine. Wait, this isn't Clementine, that's Daisy. Right. Clementine is somewhere else. I think that's Daisy. Yeah, that was Daisy. That's the one that just had the baby. Most of the goats are pregnant. There's Pogan. I don't know where the heck Dipsy is. I don't see Dipsy anywhere. Oh, Dipsy's all the way over there. Now they see her. Aren't they so cute? Aww. Aww, they're so cute. So peaceful and cute and adorable. They love people. Winchester, last time I came here, he hated being touched. Now he's okay. Here you go, baby. I forgot what this one's name is. This one's not Mason, I know. That's the one that doesn't have a name, that Laura had to deliver the baby for. There's the baby. That's the baby of the goat. As you can see, they're very lovable. Aww, so cute. That one is Dipsy. And then Tinky is somewhere. Oh, let's look the breastfeed. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that very good, but there's the mom and its baby. Aw, how cute. And there's a little black baby that Laura had to deliver. That's a boy. Laura is thinking about naming it Patrick. How cute. That is the mom of that goat. Its name is Daisy. Hello, Daisy. Say hi to the camera. That is, I don't know. So these goats don't have a name. There's 15 goats. They are very lovable. Let's look at the ghosts over here. Yes, I speak goat. Oh, yes. Uh, There's the baby. Hey, baby. Hi, baby boy. Isn't he so cute?
Bobby, did that crawl out itself?
Say hi to the camera. Yes, it did. Say hi to the camera, Tony. They are trying to take apart the fence, I think. Because it's a big mess. We're going to the fair tomorrow, so yeah. Hi, babies. Look at the little baby with his mommy. That one just had a baby yesterday. That one was born yesterday. That one was born 2 days ago, the baby right there. Trying to drink milk from its mama. And there is Tinky and Remington. Hi, Tinky. Tinky is the most friendliest. Look, that one's breastfeeding. Aww. How cute. Aren't they so adorable? I know, they're so cute. She's trying to say, get away from my baby. You just had your baby. Your baby's out there. Remington's already going for the one that just had a baby. And there's the baby again. Look how cute she is. There's Dipsy and Poe. They are brother and sister. That one's the one with the horns is a boy. The one without the horns is a girl. She isn't going to grow any horns anytime soon. Neither are the babies, but Poe isn't going to ever grow horns. She's just like her mother. Her mother is